want to do a little POV driving video of the 2002 here. Let's drop her down and get her uncovered and go for that drive. R888Rs, and you got to drive it for a little bit to get some heat into the tires. Once you get the heat into the tires, then it grips up pretty good. Just like any track oriented tire, heat is a friend to a certain degree. Speedo, you push the button in right here, it'll give you the time, elevation, speed, direction, the peak speed, your top speed you ever hit, which is 127 in this, and then the headliner dropped down on me unfortunately because of the vacuum it created. You can press and hold to do 0-60 times, quarter mile times, and that's it. And then as you can see after that drive, we got 160 degree oil temp, which is good, oil pressure is good, and coolant temp never gets over 200 generally. You got electric fan, everything's controlled. Even in the summer during Woodward Dream Cruise, I only saw 200, 205. It's got a big radiator, so we're good.